Hello students. Now I'm going to take the lesson introduction about Excel. Previous video we were discussed about how to do work in MS Word. Now I'm going to teach you how to do work in MS Excel. Before I introduce myself, I'm K. Jamberi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS, Kasinada College of Arts and Science. So why we need MS Excel? Yeah, first of the some points I'll be given the slide. Design business forms, create chart list, prepare monthly sales and expenses, prepare product and inventory, make loan payment schedule. In case if you create any business forms, you can use in MS Excel. So, actually, it will be used in MS Word, but compare than MS Word, it will be easy to create the forms. Next one, the create a chart. Say in case you enter the lot of data in MS Excel, so you can create a chart for the data. If you enter the name, if you find particular name or ascending order, descending order, we can create the chart list. If you find out any particular name, you can use the chart list. Prepare monthly sales and expenses. If you have any companies, if you have any product, so how many students, how many sales, so how much amount of sales or monthly sales, so how much earn, how much money I earn, so how many expenses you did, so what are the need, the quality, so what are the need to property, so that it can be maintained as one particular sheet that is you can use in MS Excel. Prepare product and inventory, make loan payment and sheet. How to do open Excel? So previous classes how to do open in MS Word. Now I'm going to teach you how to do open in MS Excel. Steps in opening. So what are the steps we need to open in MS Excel? Click Start, click All Programs, and click Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Excel will be showing you on small icons. When you click and right click on the icon and you click Open. Otherwise double click on the icon. The MS Excel will be open in your window. The windows is like that. Microsoft Excel window. See menu, a lot of menu bars are top of the menu, top of the screen. So, many menu buttons are here. File, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, window, help. So some menu bar will be discussed here. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your left hand side will be having your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a number that is called a row header. So row header will be considered as a number, but column header will be considered as a variables. A, so top of the windows A, B, C, D. It can be considered as a variable that is called column header. Above the column header, you having a J1 that is a called reference. Nearest f of x, fx that is a formula bar. It can be using what are the formulas we can need. So we can use the this box. Next one's edit. If you want to edit the data, you can edit. If you want to view the data, view. If you want to any data insert or any images insert to be used, insert. And below of the screen or below of the window, it will be having sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. There is a worksheet tab. So we need when you so how many worksheet, how many sheet you will be need, you can create the sheet worksheet tab. So for the nearest worksheet tab, you will be having scroll bar. In case if you enter the lot of data, one page in a lot of data and using one page, you can scroll bar. We are showing the some data. So in the same page, will be showing the what are the data will be hiding. We can scroll bar. The hiding will be data will be show. So we can use the scroll bar. Next one is formula basics. So how to use in formula in MS Excel? See, the formulas begin with the equal sign. The equal sign succeeding the characters constitute a formula. If you don't enter the equal, it cannot be considered as a formula. The calculation will be failed. Will be considered as only the text. In case if you not put in the equal, that is a formula basics. So how to do use in entering formulas? After equal the sign, in case we put the equal sign, they includes the addresses of the cells whose values will be manipulated. Appropriate operands. So the operators will be having the operands placed in between. The operands are the standard arithmetic operators. So the operators will be having here a plus, minus, multiply, divide, and capture. So the exponences, that is a divide, below say exponences, the meaning of addition, subtraction, multiplication, divide, division, and exponences. So the entering formula, when you put in the equal, next you can put the variable between the, that is between the operands. You can use the operator. The operator is a mean between the operands can used. It can be the calculation. An example, equal is a variable that is a operands number plus, that is a places of operators a9. So we can use the two values can be added a7 plus a9, the output will be showing, that is the entering formulas. Functions are predefined formulas that come with Excel. How to do use in functions, how to do entering the functions. The functions differ from the regular formula in that after the equal sign, when you put the equal sign, is applying the cell addresses but not arithmetic operators. The functions perform calculations by using specific value called arguments in a particular order called syntax. So, what are the functions when you're using in a functions? How? What are the points you can remember entering functions before entering functions? The points will be given here. One, use an equal sign to behind the function. So when you start in the function behind, you can use a equal sign and assign the function name. Enclose all the functions argument with the parentheses. So enclose the all the functions between the within the parentheses. Use a comma to separate the functions individual arguments. When you use an individual argument, use the commas to separate the functions. Thank you so much for watching my lesson.